Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal. MeLink. This personalized link makes receiving money incredibly easy, whether from friends, family, or customers. It allows anyone to send you funds directly without needing your email address or phone number. To start, simply log in to your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the PayPal Me section, usually under Send and Request or Profile settings. You'll then create a unique username, which forms your personalized link like PayPal, Me/your name. Remember, this username cannot be changed later, so choose carefully. After selecting an available name, confirm your choice to activate your new link. With your PayPal, MeLink created, sharing it is straightforward. Simply copy the link from your PayPal, Me profile. You can then paste it into a text message, an email, or share it across your social media channels. When someone clicks your link, they are directed to your personalized page, where they can easily enter the amount and send you money in just a few seconds. Managing your PayPal, MeLink is simple. You have the flexibility to turn your link on or off whenever you wish, controlling its visibility. Adding a profile picture helps people easily recognize your page. Remember, once created, your PayPal Me username is permanent, but you can always hide your link from public view if you no longer wish to use it actively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.